going to use the identities here. The question actually reads, use compound angles identities to prove the following, right? I'm going to write it down in black and I'm going to say it's sine x plus y minus sine of x minus y is equal to 2 cos x sine y. 2 cos x sine of y. Okay, so when we look at this one, we can see, very importantly, I'm going to actually say the left hand side is equal to this thing over here. I'm going to write it out as sine of x plus y, right? And the minus sign I'm going to put down as part of the formula. I'm going to use sky blue for sine of x minus y, and then I'm going to stick to those colors as I color coded going forward, right? Okay, it's equal to sine of x plus y. Using the compound angle identity, I expand this saying that sine, cos, sine. Okay, and this minus sign I'm going to put down there. This is going to be y, this is going to be x, this is going to be y, and this is going to be x. And if that's a plus, this remains a plus, right? So cos y sine x, and here I've got sine y cos x, right? On the other side, I've got a minus sign. Now, whenever I have a minus before a long term, I have to put big brackets there to remember to actually multiply it out. Okay, so when I do this, I'm going to expand that as sine, cos, sine. Right? This is going to be x, this is going to be y, this is going to be x, and this is going to be y. Remember, those are my angles, and this minus sign stays a minus over there. Okay, so now let's simplify this. I'm going to write down this term again. I've got sine x cos y plus cos x sine y, right? I'm going to multiply the minus in here now. That minus goes into this term here, and then into that term there, right? So minus sine x cos y, okay? That minus times a minus gives me a positive, and I've got now cos x sine y. Okay, so this one I can clearly see is very simple. I've got sine x cos y, and I've got negative sine x cos y, which cancels each other out, right? Or they add up to 0. And I have cos x sine y and another cos x sine y. When I add them together, I get something like 2 of them, which is 2 cos of x sine of y. Okay, and that, as you can see, is actually the right hand side that I was looking for. So I say is equal to the right hand side. Okay.